The reason why strawberry plants are dying. Inconsistent watering is the most common reason why strawberry plants are dying. The browning of leaves could be from watering in the heat of the day. This is the most common cause of burning this time of the year. When you see your strawberries are dying, think that strawberries are composed of 80% water to thrive. So you have to water them and make sure not to water them during the hot day, but water before 10 a.m. in the morning or after 5 p.m. where possible. Quick fixes for waterlogged soil are essential to revitalize your strawberries. If you're dealing with a soggy situation, consider mixing in sand or perlite to enhance soil structure. This can create the much-needed air pockets that prevent roots from drowning. As it goes without saying that prevention is always better than cure. So preventing it from occurring in the first place is the best option to optimize plants' health as well as crop yield. Over-fertilization can cause leaf burn, stunted growth, and even plant death. So, to help them recover, you should flush the soil with water to remove excess nutrients. Remove affected leaves and do not fertilize it again until it will recover. Don't apply too much fertilizer. Powdery mildew starts out looking, well, powdery. The key identification characteristics are white powdery splotches on the top of leaves or stems. Leaves look like they're dusted with white powder. Powdery mildew fungicide. Use sulfur-containing organic fungicides as both preventive and treatment for existing infections. Trim or prune. Remove the affected leaves, stems, buds, fruit or vegetables from the plant and discard. Some perennials can be cut down to the ground and new growth will emerge. Light green to yellow leaves common to nitrogen deficiency. Note how the younger leaves are still quite green and mobilized from older leaves. Strawberry leaves that turn light green and begin to yellow are often an indicator of nitrogen deficiencies. Purpling leaves are frequently associated with phosphorus deficiencies, but they can also signal a nitrogen problem. As the nitrogen deficiency exacerbates, leaf petioles shorten, turn red, and become brittle. It is good to fertilize strawberries with balanced NPK. All strawberry plants need nitrogen N, phosphorus P, potassium K, and other nutrients for vigorous vegetative growth and fruit production. Nutrient management tools include soil-applied fertilizer, fertigation, foliar feeding, and maintaining organic matter.